Let's be honest, most people don't want another complicated side hustle. They want something simple, automated, low effort, something that makes money in the background. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 lazy ways to make money online, methods that require effort once and then continue paying you over time. No hype, just systems that work. All platforms mentioned will be linked in the description below. The first lazy method is YouTube automation. This is one of the most powerful online income systems available today. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. You create videos using AI scripts, AI voiceovers, gameplay, or stock footage. Once the video is uploaded, it can generate revenue through ads for months or even years. This is exactly the model you're building. The key is consistency and choosing topics that people are already searching for. The second method is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote tools or platforms and earn a commission. For example, platforms like Canva, created by Canva. When you open Canva, there's a search bar at the top, categories for templates and designs, AI tools available instantly. You can create content explaining how to use Canva. Place your affiliate link in the description. When someone signs up through your link, you earn. No product creation, no customer support. Next is selling digital products. You create something once and sell it repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy, operated by Etsy, make this easy. When you open Etsy, you'll see product listings, categories for digital downloads, search bar for trending items. You can sell planners, templates, ebooks, Notion dashboards. Upload once, earn continuously. This is one of the simplest set-it-and-forget-it models. Using platforms like Redbubble, operated by Redbubble, you can upload designs. The platform handles printing, shipping,